Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. In today's video, we'll talk about all the tools that you need to have to raise up capital for your hedge fund. So the headline of the video, 21 tools to raise up capital for hedge funds managers. So in today's video, you will gain all the tools that you need to have it with your capital raising journey. At the same time, you will also have platforms that you can use to reach out to investors. At the same time, you will also have all the tools to keep the negotiation sites and keep the following up process on the line, and along with other tools that you have need for. So if you're looking to invest the next 5 to 10 minutes into the only video that you need to have in order to have all the tools, so you can do that. If you are not looking to do that, so you can have the Google document of the presentation in the description below, so you can download it or you can have access to it, and you can just get into the tools directly without taking a look on the video if you would like to. So that's it, let's get into it. So platform for investor discovery, we have AngelList Venture. So AngelList Venture is a hub for connecting with venture-focused investors, customized filters to identify high net worth individuals and institutions interested in hedge funds. So AngelList Venture is a pretty good place to start with if you're looking actually to qualify new investors for your hedge fund. We have already closed the deals from this platform before, and we have already seen a very good interaction from this platform. We have private platforms that we currently have, but right now we have also built our own private list, so we don't need to use other platforms. But in the beginning, we have already started to use other platforms that we would use in order to collect data, in order to collect more numbers, more contact informations, and more connections. You have also FundSeeder, a platform connecting emerging hedge fund managers with investors by showing case performance metrics. So this platform, you need actually to show off your metrics more to the investors to get inbound investors that would be interested to partner up with you. At the same time, we have also Landlord Investor Network, a specialist for real estate hedge fund managers. LIN connects fund manager to real estate focused capital sources. So I don't need to go through it. You understand what I'm talking about right here. Dynamo fundraising platform specifically designed for hedge funds to organize and execute investor outreach campaigns. We have Family Office Exchange of OX, gain direct access to family offices seeking alternative investments, including hedge funds. And most of the time, it was the family office exchange. So you need also to have someone who knows someone from these family offices that you would collaborate with if you're looking to raise more than 20 million. Then we have also YNDX, AI-driven platform that identifies high net worth individuals and institutions linked with your goals, perfect for customized outreach campaigns. So this AI, it will also help you to have a pipeline that would be with qualified investors who has already been interacted with similar programs as you currently have. So you don't need to spend time on outsourcing and doing other tasks that may be time consuming. So now let's take a look on the outreach tools. So we have Affinity, assigned for relationship management, helping fund manager maintain and track investor relationships effectively. So that's pretty basic. I don't need to go through it. Dynamo CRM, tailor-made for fundraisers. It provides tools to manage deal flows, and investor communication efficiently. We have Navatar, a financial service CRM focusing on fundraising and investor reporting for hedge funds. So that's when you start to build the relationship with them, you can start to use the Navatar. Fundraising platforms, you can have crowdfunding platform offering connections with accredited investors seeking alternative investments. Real blocks facilitates fundraising by token signing by hedge fund shares. opening access to a broader investor base, including institutional markets. We have also Monfari, specialists in connecting funds to investors globally, advising private equity and alternative strategies. Data for research platforms. You have also pitched the book comprehensive platform with investor insights, performance benchmarks, and fundraising analytics. Crunchbase Pro provides details on financial trends, key decision markets, and companies actively investing in hedge funds. Wealth X offers deep insights into ultra high net worth individuals, helping managers tailor specific investor profiles. So that's what we currently have. And what you would have also need for marketing and communication tools. You have HubSpot CRM, free CRM with powerful tools for tracking leads, emails, and investor engagement. Loom, you can use Loom to do quick video messaging to showcase fund performs, concepts, personalized investor outreach. LinkedIn Sales Navigator helps you identify potential investor, build connection, and nurture relationships through targeted outreach. Event and networking platforms. You have a Meetup Bro, a great way to host exclusive investor meetup or industry-focused events to attract potential capital. You can do that by start to build your brand, and you can start to invite them to these platforms right here if you want to have like a webinar or digital webinars. At the same time, we have also Handshake, organizes virtual events for networking and educating potential investors about your hedge fund. That's the same thing. You can do digital webinars. At the same time, you can also have Clubhouse. Join or host others in the finance-focused group to gain visibility among potential investors. So Clubhouse is like a platform, social media platform, but it's focused into the financial industry. So you can join the other groups and in the financial industry and start to provide some valuable insights upfront to gain some more trust in the beginning, credibility, and then from there you can start to identify them a new opportunity or new program with your hedge fund. What we have also Carta simplifies cap table management, valuation reporting, and investor communication, ensuring transparency and trust. So that was everything. I know it was boring video. It was a very short and quick video, but there is nothing new in that. I just wanted to explain to you that's what we have for tools today. And you can gain all the Google documents, right here from the description below. You can have the access to all the tools directly. So there is nothing in this video more than that. I just wanted to share that with you. It may be helpful if you are searching for these tools. So now you don't need to spend more time into searching for new tools that will help you with capital raising for your hedge fund. So that was everything. If you're looking to take a look on the other videos, so I have more insights into the capital raising journey. So you can take a look on those videos. You can find the links for them in the description below. That was everything for today. I hope it was something new, and have a nice day.